everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy Dollar Tree wreath. I took one of the green things that I finally found in the Dollar Tree and I painted it silver. And then I had some stencil left and I like the silver, but if I were to run out, I also have red. Now, you'll need some hot glue also to do this project. And of course, if you want your wreath to have any kind of design on it, which I grabbed this little item here from the Dollar Tree. We got my hair in it. And so I'm going to pull my hair out of it. Oh man, really? How did that happen? Okay, great job, lots of hair. Okay. That's better. Okay, so I grabbed this item from the Dollar Tree so I can add it to my wreath. All right, here we go. All right, so I got my glue gun. And so family, when I started doing this, I started trying to put the glue on the foam, and I was realizing that the glue is so hot, of course it's going to melt. So I suggest using E6000 if you want to put it directly on the foam. So what I end up doing is started putting it on little sections of the garland as I was wrapping it. So I'd put a little glue there and then I'd start trying to wrap it. So as I started wrapping, I had to release the end of the garland because it was knotting on the other side. So what I end up having to do is take a bunch of it and wrap it around my finger and then make sure I pushed all of that through at once, because it just made it a lot easier instead of me trying to start wrapping and then all of a sudden it was knotted on the other side because I didn't go all the way through. Now I determined, since I was going around circle after circle after circle, I could just go ahead and just put it around a few times and then I'll add some glue as I go. But I definitely added the glue to the garland instead of the foam. And I just went around and around and around. And the good thing about this is that this garland here is 50-foot yards, or 50 foot. So I did not need another one. Just one of it was all I'm gonna need. So basically this thing is like $3. And you always have, usually if you're a crafter, you already have glue gun anyway. So now it's time to add the ornament to the wreath. And the ornament had a little clippy thing that you could clip into it. So you have an option to just go ahead and clip it on there. I actually kind of pushed it into the foam so it could kind of stay. And then I took the glue gun and glued down the leaves to the wreath. And that's how I got mine to work out. Here is the finished wreath. It has the Dollar Tree ointment at the bottom. I wrapped it in a silver garland. I was going to add the red, but I actually like it just like this. I think it came out pretty nice. Let me know what you think, fam, below. And comment and tell me, would you have added the red garland to it also? Don't forget to comment below and let me know. And please, if you are not receiving notices, hit the notification bell. And also, if you don't mind, could you please like this video? Thanks for watching. This is SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and real life. Have a happy holiday.